Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart whenever you are watching this video. Big breakout has occurred over the past 24 hours, and the breakout represented by the red line right here, where the price has finally been able to break up above it, and that brings about the first update that needs to be done, which is based on a foundational rule in charting stating when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that brings about the very first question to ask yourself when you're watching this. And let's go with the 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after it's been released. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 5,500, that green line? As long as you're answering the price, or that the price is up above that level, then the bulls are going through a very, very healthy consolidation. And that includes even if you happen to be, watching it 15 hours from now. Let's say the price is down here and they're just kind of, hovering right above there. That doesn't matter. I would still consider that a very, very healthy consolidation, because stop and think about what that would be implying. That would be implying that you still have a set of lows right there, and then you have this set of lows right here, and then you have this slit down there, and so on and so forth. And if you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, big picture wise, these stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction, and that's what you want. Now, with all that being said, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 5,500, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Just saying that, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the best, staying above 5,500. I am going to go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they pertain, they're just not relevant right now, and I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter on lines everywhere. But now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 5,500, then the next immediate area that you would want to turn your attention to is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. You'll have to be a little bit more proactive with that, because that is a moving average, meaning that line is going to move, and therefore the value is going to move and change as time goes by. So I can't give you an exact number there, but just, keep in mind that, and really that doesn't pertain to anything as long as the price is up above 5,500. But like I said, if the price is down below it, then, just kind of take an inventory check on where the price is relative to the 50-period. As far as, the upside, a lot of common sense can go a long way. If you're answering the question that not only is the price above 5,500, but now the price is all the way up there at 5,800, well, at that point, that would be telling you that not only is the consolidation healthy, but now the chart has just gotten that much healthier and stronger via the continued move to the upside direction. So all in all, though, great movement, and we'll see if the bulls can continue to chip away and build those higher bases. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.